Hello guys, this video show how to replace the stretchy belt type, no belt tensioner type. First, remove the passenger fender guard to access the belt area, and then put the flap screwdriver inside the belt and then pry it outward and then rotate the crankshaft. It comes out easily. Workshop says need a special tool, but you don't need a special tool, just the flap screwdriver in it and then pry it out and then rotate the crankshaft and then comes out. When you install this stretchy belt type, put the belt on the alternator, AC compressor and a water pump, and then attach like this crankshaft pulley, and then you guys make sure all belt onto the each pulley group. And then this video, first I'm gonna show how to replace the with the vise-grip. I'm using the small vise-grip and then gently grab it and then turning the crankshaft, rotate the crankshaft and then half and 2 inch around, and then push it in starting water pump area belt. Push it in big pry bar and then push it in every time you guys turning crankshaft. As much as push in and then ball turning to 1 and 2 inch rotate and then push it again and start again, and comes off a belt from the water pump and then push it in belt to put into the water pump pulley. Keep doing this every turning until belt on the all group pulley. Once the stretchy belt on the all pulleys, remove vise-grip and then turning the 360 degree, one turning, and then auto belt on the pulley correctly. So easy. You don't need any special tool. Just a small vise-grip, you can install this stretchy belt. Next video is 1.6 Fiesta. It's all about same Bronco and Escape, Fusion, any other 1.6 engine. Also same thing as the put in the screwdriver, flap screwdriver inside the belt and then pry it out and then crankshaft. Workshop says you need a special tool, but it's a freaking don't need this. Don't buy this one. The only vise-grip or this one small C clamp 1 inch is fine. It's the same thing, attach the belt and then gently grab this C clip, and then this one is a couple of dollars. And just gently grab a belt and pulley and then rotate crankshaft 1 and 2 inch, and then also same thing, and the belt is starting off from the water pump pulley and then also pry in belt onto the water pump pulley. And I keep doing this, and then so much way easier any other special tool. So many times engine jobs, 1516, shock block, any other water pump, tying belt job, I found that this way, small vise-grip and then this C clamp is much easier, save time, much money, save money. For the escape, do not remove whole fender guard, just a portion of the front. Remove 7mm screws and then retainers, and then can access this one. And then remove crank sensor, because when turning it could be broken. You guys carefully remove the crankshaft sensor and then rotate. You guys do that. Thanks for watching.